I was questioning that the process is not. What are you doing? What are you arresting me on? What charges? What charges are you arresting me on? First tell me what is the charge? What is the charge? What outstanding the box? You show me the law. You show me the law order. Show the law order. Well, everyone, this is for you all to see how the police people will take you. They don't care for the freaking farmers. They don't care for the people. They don't care for anyone. This is what people are doing over here. This is how people are treated. Farmers are going to be treated like this. Farmers are. This is how people are going to be treated. This is how people are going to be treated. Yes. Shame on you police people. I thought it was to be the law enforcement stopping for the people, but you're only working for the ambulance. It's a shame today. I've been so disappointed. So.
विंडो बंद कर सर स्टार्ट कर चल बस बस चल चल
हे लँड फिलिंगाचें परमिशन घेतलेलें आसा लेटर ऑफ कोमनिदाद
to acquire that land.
and this land belongs to the कोमनिदाद आनी हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता कोमनिदादीची पयशे आतां आहा ती सगळीं हांकां हावस करची हेज्याच फाटल्यान कित्याक लागता सगळीं हावस करूंक लाया आनी वी आर देयर टू सपोर्ट वी विल बी सप्लायींग एवरीथींग वॉट द फार्मर्स वॉन्ट एंड वी आर डुईंग इट land filling permission which is availed from GPPDA. Now this is gone with respect to the award which we had got in 2005 award. This is the award. This is the award what we have got in 2005.
But some of the farmers are saying that in 2007 they got a letter from authorities that the land will belong to the farmers only. So
no, it is false. There was a representation from the farmers. ते acquisition drop करचे म्हणून. So आमी कितें केलें फार्मरांचे आमचे न्हू. So आमी तें proposal BDOक धाडलें. So BDO सांगलें तें process कितें आहा तें कर म्हणून. They said once the award is done it cannot be cancelled. The land belongs to the government. सो गव्हर्मेंटाक लँड हांवें ती एक्वायर करूं ना लँड एक्वायर केला आमची पंचायत घराक लागून आयज पंचायत घर आमच्या तालिगांव ना कित्याक ना आमी रावता बेजमेंटान आमी ऑफिस करता बेजमेंटान सो हियर वील बी आर पंचायत घर विथ ऑल द एमेनिटीज वॉट द पीपल ऑफ तालिगांव वॉन्ट्स possession letter is here
along with the two witnesses also
possession letter is here. Okay, possession letter is here. Possession certificate is here. Possession certificate is here. Possession certificate is here. Because I want the people of Taligaon to know that we are doing this फॉर पंचायत घर. इट इज नॉट एनी वन्स प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टी टू एक्यूज. आयज फकत हिंगा एक्विजिशन जाल्लें आसा. एज अ सरपंच एंड एज अ ऑथॉरिटी आय एम स्पीकिंग ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ तालिगांव. लास्ट ग्राम सभाक आमी मिटींग घेतिल्ली. लास्ट ग्राम सभाक ही सगळी आशिल्ली 14 फेब्रुवारी ग्राम सभा घेतिल्ली आमी. आनी ग्राम सभाक कितें हांवें हें केल्लें रेजोल्युशन लोकांक सांगलेलें की पंचायत घर आनी मार्केट कॉम्प्लेक्स येता म्हणून आमचो तालिगांव मार्केट. तेन्ना कोणे एकट्या मेंबरान सांगलें की हें घर पंचायत आमची कम्युनिटी हॉल मोडचें आनी वर्टिकल वयचें म्हणून. दिस इज वॉट ही हॅज सजेस्टेड, बट दिस इज वॉट वी वॉन्ट टू डू. So process is completed, everything is in our possession, and we have gone ahead with the filling. Now the next stage is we are planning the panchayat ghar. Amount is also deposited.
If they don't claim it, will not happen.
See, claim जावना वो घेवना तेणी कित्याक ती म्हणूंक लागली कितें इट इज लेस मनी दॅट टायम. तेन्ना एक्विजिशन प्रोसेसान कितें आशिल्लें तें तांकां मेळलेलें.
Some farmers saying that compensation मेळोकच ना ते exact.
सगळे पळय हो तियात्र करता पळय तो न्हू ते इलेक्शनाक लागून करता. डेव्हलपमेंटाक त्रास करिनाका. हो तियात्र इलेक्शनाचो. Because she is a ZP candidate. Let us fight as ZP candidate with the people. People will decide. Don't mix up my development. We said we are broad in mind what we want in Talegaon. This is people's demand. आयज लोक कितें म्हणटा पंचायत घर येयल्यार आमकां बरें. आय एम हॅविंग पंचायत घर विथ अंडर वन रूफ ऑल दीज एम्युनिटीज. पोस्ट ऑफीस आयज तुका फाल्यां थिंगासर हेल्थ सेंटर आसतलो, फाल्यां इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आसतले. सो यू डोंट नीड टू गो स्काउट अराउंड इन डिफरंट प्लेसीस. सो इट विल बी अंडर वन रूफ. So what is wrong? I am asking these people who are agitating. 4-5 people are agitating. That's it. So what does that tell? There is a residence of 30,000 people. आपल्याक जाय पळय तांचेच व्हिडिओ काडटा आनी लोकांक दिता. See, I don't want that people should be harassed. I want this thing to be completed, and we will complete it in the 5 years term. What we are working for. We are working for the people of Talegaon. And if they have any issue regarding this, there is a right forum. They can challenge it. Thank you very much. त्यांनी एक रिक्वेस्ट दिल्लो तो आम्ही फॉरवर्ड केलो व्हिडिओ.
आमचं पंचायतीचा नको. इट इज
दिस इज देअर रिक्वेस्ट.
सबसिक्वेंट
सबसिक्वेंट आम्ही रेझोल्युशन घेतले पंचायतीन बाबा दिस इज पंचायत घर फॉर द पीपल ऑफ तालिगांव.
आणि ग्रामसभाने
आणि ग्रामसभान डिसाईड केलें बाबा ते
विड्रॉ करचे
म्हणून. सो आयज पळय कितें मिस रिप्रेझेंटेशन करता पळय तें करचें न्हू. आय एम रिक्वेस्टिंग देम and thank you.